Alright guys, so we got the block stripped down. As you can see, I've got the crank on my little homemade stand there. I'm not really seeing anything out of the ordinary other than a little bit of excessive rust. I got the main bearings out and the caps are just cinched back in place. Other than that, the only thing still on this block are the cam bearings. And I think the drain plugs, I'll pop them out and I'll probably give the guy the side bolts for the mains as well. But above and beyond that, let's go ahead and mic out the cylinders and see how they are. I'm only going to do one just to check the bore to see if this block has been punched out at any point. We'll let the machine shop handle it from here. And then we'll go ahead and get this thing off the stand and in the back of my truck. Alright guys, obviously since we just measured this, this is going to be our starting point on the bore gauge. So we measured 3.9 plus 2.5, 16, 17, 18, 19. So that puts us at 3.944, and we are closest to 1 on the vernier scale. So we have a starting point of 3.9441, which gives us just enough freeboard tension in the cylinder to where this will compress to our dwell point. And since we know our starting point, since we know the distance between this point and this point, since this is moving forward as we compress it, we will be subtracting this measurement from our starting point. Just kind of one last look. And number 1. Doesn't look terrible, all things considered. Like I said, I can't catch a nail on any of this, but it's best to have this thing checked out. It may clean up. Hopefully. Always stretch before doing something stupid. That's not too bad. Gotta walk her down. Now we're on that. Get this out of the way. Be alright. Now, of course, if I really wanted to, I could dig out the engine crane and back my truck up under the carport and get it all nice. And I'm going to lift it up. I will be doing this until I can't. So it's raining out, so I'm going to get a big trash bag and put it over this, and we'll get this thing to my truck. That'll be all right. All right, guys, well, that's that done. Today's Sunday. I'm going to drop the block off Monday morning before work, and they can have it for the whole week. Hopefully number one is okay. There's no micro cracks anywhere, and any of the other cylinders in the block is still reusable. If the bore is okay, we'll just have them clean up the cylinders and at minimum resurface the decks. Hopefully it's a good candidate for a rebuild, and then we can get all the fun stuff coming. The crank I still need to inspect. I've been kind of slacking lately. I believe it'll be okay. I know number 6 was a little questionable, but that should clean up. So definitely going to get new connecting rods and pistons regardless, especially if we have to go 20 over on the board, and obviously you need new pistons. But anyway, guys, it's going to be a short video today, just kind of keeping you updated on this project. So until then, see you in the next one.